learning a new language, including Spanish, the hardest part is getting the conversation started. Let's face it, some of us even struggle to do this in English. Fear no more, because in this free Spanish lesson, we're going to uncover the most common ways to greet someone in Spanish when you first met them, and how to respond. For example, you can say, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? And the answer would be, Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Very well, thank you. And you? And you could say, Excelente, gracias. Excellent, thank you. Number 2 would be, ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? And the answer would be, Mi nombre es, my name is, or Me llamo, my name is. Number 3, ¿Hablas español? Do you speak Spanish? The answer would be, Sí, hablo español. Yes, I speak Spanish. Or, No, no hablo español. No, I don't speak Spanish. Number 4 would be, ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? And you could answer to that, Soy de, I am from. For example, Soy de los Estados Unidos. I am from the United States. Number 5, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? And the answer would be, Me gusta, I like. For example, Me gusta ir al cine. And the translation would be, I like to go to the movies. Number 6, ¿Qué tipo de comida te gusta? What type of food do you like? And the answer would be, Me gusta la comida. I like, for example, Me gusta la comida china. The translation would be, I like Chinese food. And we'll go with a little bonus. For example, ¿Qué es lo que más te gusta de? What do you like most about? For example, ¿Qué es lo que más te gusta de Colombia? What do you like the most about Colombia? And the answer would be, Lo que más me gusta de Colombia es. What I like most about Colombia is. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed these common greetings in Spanish. The key takeaway here should be that you want to be the one asking the question first, because native speakers won't be able to recognize whether or not you can speak Spanish or not. Which one of these greetings in Spanish were your favorites?